Hi, Jesse B here. Let's take a look at list. In Excel, something called a list. You can find a list feature on the data tab. So we normally start out with home. Yep, there's our standard ribbon. Let's go over to data tab there. Come down and across the ribbon we go over to data tools. Then we go to data validation. So what I'm going to show is how to set up a list of states right here. So on my spreadsheet, I have already copied and I paste my state abbreviations out here. So my list is already available. Now this can be way over on the right. You can highlight it and change the color of the text to white so it can't be seen. You can put it on another sheet if you like. So wherever you want to hide it, you can hide it. Now when you go into your data validation, the first thing you have to do is highlight the area where you would like your list to be applied to the spreadsheet. So I want it to be in these cells right here under state. Now I could go down 20 rows, 100 rows, 1,000 rows. It's up to me depending on how many records I think I'm going to type in. I'm going to go to data validation, click on it, come in here, settings, and what am I going to allow to happen on the spreadsheet? Well, I'm going to have a list that people can choose from. Now I'll have a little drop down next to the cell so they can choose from the list that I'm going to provide. Notice you can also do other things. I'll do other videos on these, but whole number, numbers between, say, 10 to 100, no one would be able to type a 9 or a 101. They can only go the numbers between there. And also date and time, you can add all those. But we're going to do lists. So I click on list, I click on my navigation button here. I go out and I'm looking for my states, so I highlight my states on the spreadsheet. Now states are just two letters. You might say, shoot, I would just type those. But here's the reason behind a list. It can be a short list, or you notice my presidents here. It can be a long list. The object is consistency. You want to make sure whoever happens to be putting in the data puts it in correctly. The same case, uppercase, lowercase, the same spelling. You don't want any mistakes. So that's the power of a list, having control. I'm going to click the down arrow here to expand my dialog box. There's my range. It is a list. I'm going to click OK, and that will apply the list down this highlight. Now, when I click in an individual cell and I click the down arrow, there it is, I can choose my state. Then for the next record and so on, all the way down through the area that I've highlighted. Now, suppose you open a spreadsheet and someone has made a list. You want to find that list, maybe to get rid of it, delete it possibly. So one of the things that you can do is you can press the F5 on the keyboard, F5, notice special, click on special, and notice here data validation all. I want to find all the data validation. So it will highlight it for me. At that point, I can go in to data validation. In here, notice the clear all. And I can clear everything out so no more drop downs are available. But notice it didn't remove my information. So that's a good thing. Have a great day.